fondly known as R&D sir, to the whole community of students and teachers. So my father always believed that teaching is just not giving knowledge, it also should shape everyone's life. So he had a true connection with each and every student who he taught. So he used to be a visiting professor at Vishwaveda College, and initially he was a full-time prof in UDC. One of the things, being a daughter, being close to him, something which I learned is like he was very top in his position. He was offered a lot of being a director of education, all those things he was offered, but he always didn't want to be in the spotlight. He always wanted to dedicate his life for students community. So sometimes I used to wonder like, okay, so if I have to have my dad's time, I need to become a student because only then he will have some time for me. So that was the things which I used to write in my diaries that, okay, one day God, please, I need to be a student of him. So that happened later when I did my master's. His health was like a little bit deteriorating, as Vasu mentioned. So I chose to be taking UDC. I did my UG in Holy Cross, and then I joined UDC. And it was a very beautiful moment where I had to learn from him. So something which is like really beautiful with him is he would never say a word to his students like be quiet or come and sit down. No. His presence always like commanded that everyone will be quiet and everyone will line up. Even a notorious student, you will see him sit and listen because he had a gift of conveying the concept with thorough knowledge within him. He was a prodigy. I am nowhere near to him, but I'm fortunate that God gave me a blessing of being his only daughter and being very close to him. Most of the times I have seen Daddy preparing a lot, as one of the students pointed out, like a teacher is someone who needs to be thorough on like what he's teaching, right? So because students look forward to your lecture and stuff. So he really put his lot of time and efforts in preparing the lecture every day so that like, it is easier for the students to understand it. So that's why like each and every student will come and sit and listen with a lot of interest because he conveyed the concept really well and clearly. So I was also a teacher in Kaveri College when I initially came there, but it was really hard for me in teaching, I would say, because I used to get up at 4 a.m. and prepare for all the concepts and stuff. But Dad had naturally in him. So most of the students here, whenever they see me, like they remember my dad in me and they invite me for lunches and dinners. I have like a lot of students here where dad is being remembered through their success. I'm really thankful to Vasu for like inviting me here. So it really shows how much a student loved him in terms of like the respect, gratitude, and affection. So he never asked for anything, but it was shown to him. And I always wanted to instill this quality in Abhinaya because when she was 2 years old, my dad left this world. But I made sure like she knows everything about my dad. So she knows who her grandpa is, who dad is, and what education is, and also the quality and everything. So we live by his values, which he instilled, as Vasu pointed out. And you could also see the things in Vasu as well, like how humble he is and how beautifully, like he would have got some of the values from his teaching. That's what I think of, but because whenever I talk to him, he had also like pointed out many things. And I have Naveen as well, who I know as part of my daughter's classmate was Naveen's daughter. So he also mentioned about her dad. So I'm really deeply honored to be here representing Daddy. And I know like each one of you, I think like this event was organized by Merlin in a very short duration of time, and everyone with US, it's very, very difficult. Each one has their kids' classes. I know it's a graduation time and college time, but everyone showed up bringing forward the legacy of Vishwaveda College. Thanks to each one of you. And I am truly thankful and honored for having me here. and I feel like very humbled and very grateful to be part of this event. And it brings back lots of memories for each one of you, right? Like my husband Central, like he took me to his alumni meet where he was so nice to have me there too, because everyone will be in the college mode and all those things, but still like it brings back and takes you to the memory lane down 29 years, right? So it's enjoy your time here, and thank you again for having me here as part of your celebration. Thank you very much.